Picture Sarah, a freelance marketer who used to sweat over juggling Calendly, MailChimp, Facebook Ads Manager, Zapier, Stripe. The list never ended. She spent half her day logging in and patchworking tools. Then she found Go High Level. In her first week, she replaced 8 apps with 1. Her client onboarding went from clunky to slick. Her follow-ups doubled conversions. She saved 20 hours in a month. Suddenly, her evenings were hers again. And hey, if you're thinking, sounds great, but how do I get started? Check the video description now. I dropped a link with a 14-day free trial that gives you full access. Funnels, automations, calendars, SMS, email, pipeline tracking, everything. 15 seconds into this video and you've already got the keys. Go grab it. On to the magic. Want to send automated texts when a lead books? Done. Want to follow up with voicemail drops? Go High Level does it. Want slick one-click upsells in your funnel? Yep, it's built in. All your client reporting automatically customized with your branding? Yes, please. What about launching membership sites? Or managing your ads and ROI data from a single dashboard? Absolutely. Here's the plot twist. Go High Level isn't just software, it's your business co-pilot. You can even white label it and sell it under your own brand. Think about that. Recurring revenue, no coding, no tech stress. And the best part? You don't have to mess around with APIs or plugins. Want Python dev? You don't need it. Let me drop another story. Mike, a Facebook ads specialist, added Go High Level for SMS and email follow-ups in under 10 minutes. He saw a 30% lift in lead conversions and tripled his monthly revenue within 2 months. That's serious impact, all inside one dashboard. So what's holding you back? You're still paying subscription after subscription while losing hours to switching between tabs. Meanwhile, your competition? They're streamlining with platforms like Go High Level and freeing time for strategy, creativity, and scaling. Still not convinced? Fine. Here's a quick stat. Businesses that automate their follow-up see an average 33% increase in deals closed. When you combine that with smarter funnels and simplified client reporting, you're looking at game-changing results. And with Go High Level, you get all of that wrapped in one intuitive platform. Before I go, click the link in the video description and snag that 14-day free trial. Play around, test every feature, build a funnel, set up a campaign, see what it can do for you. Worst case, you wasted 2 weeks. Best case, you transform your business. This isn't about being flashy. It's about building systems that work while you sleep. So if you're ready to stop the tool hopping and start scaling, go for it. The 14-day trial link is in the description. Don't wait. Let Go High Level be the engine behind your next level. Your future self and your bank account will thank you. Ask ChatGPT.